When it comes to IFAKs, individual first aid kits, there are just a ton of options out there and you just don't know what to choose. You go to gun show and maybe you see a condor bag stuffed full of stuff that looks interesting and maybe that's what you need. Uh, or, you go the military surplus route and find some at your Army Navy store or online. There's purpose-built premium kits out there that are real high speed, like your Refuge Medical Bare Facts and Bare Minimums and other kits like that. Or you can go the other route of just kind of doing it yourself. This is kind of where I started. I picked up off eBay some USMC Molly 2 pouches. They were like $7 or $8, very affordable. And, there are Molly attachments on the back. And they've got a nice little clip right there. Opens up real easy with one hand. It's got a little 2-compartment divider in there. And so let's take a little bit deeper dive into it here. Para-X apparently is the company that makes these pouches. Don't know anything about them. Just happens to be what was sewn in there when I got it. All right, now let's take a look on everything on the inside of the pack. Got your C-A-T Tourniquet Gen 7. Make sure you get the real thing. It's worth the extra money. Then we've got Hyfin chest seals. It's ventilated. It's 2-pack. Make sure you get some of those. Then a nasal pharyngeal airway. Goes up your nose. Helps you breathe. Then we've got a trauma wound dressing. Some people call that an Israeli bandage. Over here we've got a 2-pack of North American Rescue compressed gauze. Then a couple of additions I just decided to add recently, and another compressed gauze from North American Rescue. It's single. And then some Kerlix. It's a kind of a stretchy bandage there. Put that over a lot of wounds and all that. Hold everything together. And finally inside there, which, most people you recommend you carry it on the outside, but on this pack I'm carrying on the inside, it's a pair of trauma shears. They're also North American Rescue. This has the notch here for your oxygen tank, so you can turn it on and off if someone's got an oxygen tank. And I'm not a paramedic or a doctor of any kind, so this is just kind of something I threw together after watching, multiple videos on IFAKs and do a little bit of homework on them. And it's, something you can keep in your range bag or something you can keep in your car or at home. Since you get it cheap enough, you can get a few of these put together, or give them as gifts. Not a bad idea as well if you've got family going off to school or whatever, going away from the home for the first time. It's not a bad little gift. And definitely recommend, which I've got to get around to doing myself, getting training on how to use all this stuff beyond, having the basic concepts, but actually take a course where you really use the equipment. So next thing we're going to take a look at is we're going to put everything back in the pouch. And we're going to weigh it and see how much it weighs. Got our trusty little digital scale out here. And looks like it weighs 1 pound, 5.5 ounces. And for the rest of the people out there, 610 grams. So it's not too terribly heavy considering the size of the pack and everything. All that medical stuff's pretty light. Well, anyway, that kind of sums up just us. I want to do this quick little video of a little do-it-yourself IFAK. If you enjoyed this content, please like, also share and subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. And all that being said, look forward to seeing everybody in the next video. I'm going to have one of the items you saw earlier on, that bare minimum Bare Fact 2.0. Going to be doing a review on that soon, so be looking for that in the near future. All right, everybody, take care.